On the Incarnation by Saint Athanasius marks the profound cultural significance of the Word becoming flesh. During an era dominated by pagan philosophies and diverse theological debates, the Incarnation presented a revolutionary shift in understanding divinity and humanity. By asserting that God became man, Athanasius directly challenged the prevailing Greek notion of distant, indifferent gods. This portrayal of a God who empathizes and sacrifices for humanity redefined divine involvement in human affairs. The Incarnation also elevated human dignity and purpose. In contrast to beliefs in fate or the arbitrary whims of deities, the idea that God took human form to restore and elevate humanity bestowed intrinsic worth and divine potential upon every individual. The Incarnation became a cornerstone for the emerging Christian culture and shaped theological discourse and the moral and social fabric of societies embracing Christianity.